Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how easy it is to forward messages in Zangi. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, you can click on any text or any messages from your friends or in a group. Let me go ahead and add a new message over here. After I send the message, you can just go ahead and select the message which you want to forward. So go ahead and select the message and you can see the forward option over here. Just go ahead and click on this forward icon which is on the top right hand corner after you click on the message you want to send. So you can see that you can just go ahead and tap on the message which you want to forward and you can see the forward icon on the top right hand side. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see some of your recent chats. You can select the group or friend you want to forward this message to, and if you're done, just go ahead and click on next. Now if you go back to your text, you can see that the message has been forwarded. Let me show this process to you once again. Open any text. You can select the text which you want to forward. So you can select multiple text as well, as you can see, and you can see the forward icon on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on it. Select the people who you want to forward this message to and click on send. And there you go. It is easy to forward messages in Zangi. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.